With a beautiful home like this, honestly, who needs amenities, even though you have 5 in total that you'll have in this neighborhood? But this new Monica model by ICI Homes is absolutely stunning, and you have to see it in person. But for now, let's see it on video. Come on. Can you guess where I am? Well, I'm where you're gonna be at the end of this video. But I wanted to have a small commercial break just to say, if you're liking this video, make sure you like, subscribe, to make sure you stay up to date on all things happening in St. Johns County and seeing all of these options for floor plans that are available with different builders in the area, along with finding out what the heck is gonna happen with Silverleaf as it continues to develop. Will it be the next Nocatee? Will it not? You won't know until you like, subscribe, and even share with a friend. But let's get back to the tour. this Monica model honestly has it all. Not only does it have the 4 bedrooms, but each bedroom has a bath. I don't think you guys understand how crucial that is over fighting over toothpaste, not cleaning up your bathrooms, all this stuff, or having guests come in so that they can have their own bathroom so you don't tell your kids 50 times they have to clean their bathroom. Having the formal office and having the formal dining rooms because they're coming back. Not to mention, I don't know if you did see when you were walking through, if not, you have to go back through to the beginning, is this really cool wine cellar option that they have where it's all glass, where you can have this stunning, either a piece of art, wine, anything you want to do to showcase. That's like the perfect room for you to do that in. I almost want to call this like a glass house because there's so many windows, so much natural light coming through. These back windows back here that bring basically nature inside is wild because it has this feel of almost like a resort when you walk in. You think that you're at Sandals when you're walking through this, but this home honestly has to be seen in person. So if you have not already, messaged me, liked, subscribed, shared with another friend to come with you to a showing. Let's go see this home in person. It is in Silverleaf, in the Courtney Grove section, which is one of the new gated communities that is here in the north end of Silverleaf in St. Johns County. So let's schedule a date, pencil it in, and I'll see you here.